Hello, I'm Zenya's Gossip Girl. Miss J reveals why she left the reunion part 2 and exposes the production. She posted this caption on her Instagram and captioned, "Week in, week out, we all had hopes that the scene with my children will play, but it did not. No explanation, nothing. I really feel like my children were discriminated from day one till very last. I mean, not even an invite from the for the reunion. As a mother, my number one role is to always and forever protect my kids. Hence, I couldn't finish the reunion. I was not going to sit there when my child was not invited without any solid reason or explanation. How do you explain to the child why they are not invited? But anyways, as unkind as it is, we move on. Hope you all enjoy part 2 of the reunion." So Msansi, Miss J is one person that does not keep to herself. She does not shy away from her feelings, and she expresses herself. And I love the fact that she's very vocal, and she doesn't beat around the bush. She's a straight talker. I like that about Miss J. And I like the fact that she's exposing Showmax production, because when Piladi said production this, production that, people were like, they came for Piladi. They thought, oh, Piladi is just running away from her issues with Noxy. She's not taking accountability. She's busy blaming production. But here we have the same situation. Limis Jewal ka production saying, or why some of the episodes that they shot with the kids, why are they not shown to the public? What message is Showmax, the Mommy Club show, trying to tell the public? What message are they saying? Are they saying, these mummies are toxic, this is how they live their lifestyle in just 6 weeks? Yes, it's part of reality show, but it's not entirely reality, because the reality is them being mothers, being present mothers. This is what we would like to see on television, not them always at each other's throats. That is not the content that we signed up for. Sometimes a reality show, it does not have to be toxic like that. We want to see how other mothers are navigating this lifestyle, this life thing. So I'm really disappointed in Showmax, and I'm happy that also Miss J is exposing the production. They're being biased. The same thing that Piladi was talking about, saying, well, production this, production that. But you guys did not get it. You thought, oh no, Piladi is not taking accountability. And if you saw the reunion part 1, Miss J said, or they had a meeting with the production while they were busy shooting. Apparently, it was Happy Simelani, Vui, Peladi, and I don't know who else. I don't know about Miss Sunday. They were complaining, or hey, why are you showing these scenes? Why are you not showing that? Why are you trying to make us look bad in public? And don't. So I'm like, what is going on? Are these cast members now controlling the whole narrative? Like, kuningi nje.
Nyambono Vuine is many things. She has a beautiful, she's quite a liar, and she's bad at it. But if there's one thing I will always respect her for, is standing on business at the reunion. Not leli mene abantu Her Majesty. Uyaqina ke madayari yang so babonisa ngifuna nna ke nyaka ba bona ke ngwanyana wa Brakpan. Mara when it comes to confrontations, Her Majesty angazi noma uncinga season 4 ulahlele uVuyi under the bus when uVuyi confronted uNoxy. Uyachayisa ke lo sisi. They are saying uNoxy is shady kuma-diary sessions wakhe, right? And uVuyi is confronting that, and it's 100% true. Not to Her Majesty saying, no, I don't think so. Haibo. And also, I'm so annoyed. Yes, one of my friends said, "Agasafun we born the show," and I'm actually so annoyed and frustrated of the victim train Noxy is on. But I'm confront, but Noxy, you are spicy on your direct section. We are justify. No. It's because when we have conversations physically, I can't express myself. So my direct section is when I say, you were toxic, and that is that. Because manso, Mrs. J, utshela ulona uthi uPeladi, uVuyi, Her Majesty no Sunday balethe toxicity on the show. yena kayiletha toxicity on the show when atshela another woman or ke mugwanti wa Pitori. Unox yena maka spicy ki diary sessions wakhe makabiza abantu abo dick abo ban was it not contributing towards bullying? And then all of the sudden now they are on this angazizothi yini le nto abakiyo abafuna ukupainta ukuthi abantu abalethi toxicity it's the other group and bona they were all innocent. Wena Mrs. J, honestly I don't know why people are not seeing through Mrs. J. I don't know why people are not seeing through Mrs. J and Unoxi. Angazi bina whining ababoni. Because another thing, Lona, Uban Lokeli Lona, Unoxi. Uvui called her out. Don't come here and speak with a sweet voice and pretend which when hey man you're so innocent and what else you know which off air there are certain things that you are doing and you are saying. Why are you guys not seeing through Unoxi? Unoxi is not being bullied. Unoxi is not a victim. Noxi, you are not a victim. The episode is on Iga. Ezongcika nokugcina yile ezayo ya next week ireunion la Unoxi sekakhala athi the only thing I wanted is forgiveness. You are not a victim. Wena nalomngane wakho toxic bathu Rosette man hayi